Bueno?
Oh god.
I'm just gonna try to go down this and around the hairpin corner.
Oh, you manjied up it.
Yeah, well.
Okay. Manjied all the way up to that corner?
Yeah, I stopped there though.
Oh god. My seatbelt came undone in the middle.
That's a new one.
I was like, no!
Hey! This is what I need you! In there a little earlier.
Dude, that's wild. No e-brake.
Yeah, momentum, dude.
Blows my mind.
Just throw it.
Actually,
Mike, I don't know if it would stick upside down. This is kind of textured.
oh yeah.
I don't know if it would stick on like the ceiling or anything, but
It will.
I don't know what that would pick up like.
I don't know if that would be in your way.
I got more stickers I can see.
Is that okay right there?
Yeah, that'll be good.
Dude, it's gonna be so sick. And I can hold on.
See if we can go up. Oh, battery again. That's exactly what happened to me the first time, dude. My battery, dude.
Look it up! It's like
It is. I keep smacking it down, but I need a. It keeps moving. It keeps moving.
There's a
forward.
bolt on
It
it,
moves
bro.
forward and backwards.
Hey.
I feel like a Gatorade bottle or something to hold my battery from moving.
Gatorade bottle.
I tried.
I'm already giggling. We ain't even started again yet.
So funny. How is this one like? It's like, nope, you're done. Alright, I think I'm done with that corner. I might need to do that in the daytime.
Yeah.
It's like it's not as bright up there.
Yeah.
Here, I'll
Fair
by
enough.
your car.
What is that in the back that I feel?
Probably the axles. They have a little bit of play. The diff has a little play.
Yeah, there he is. I see him. You
Here.
see him?
Clinky, clinky.
Yes.
That was the best upgrade I've done. I've never held that much angle up
That
the
was
hill
good.
before.
That was good. Yeah.
Nice angle.
Yeah.
That'll make a good video.
That was definitely
This left tire's getting loose.
Uh-oh.
So yeah, I'm glad we didn't send it again. Get you to your car real quick.
Yeah.
It's about that time. What did we just say?
Yeah.
He's not turning around though,
Oh,
so
he's
we're
not?
good. Nah.
Good.
If anything, he just stopped, but I see him. He just went around the curb, so we're good. You definitely have time. I would just go to the highway when you leave. We're good. He's not turning around, so.
No, I know, but still.
Ro has the other camera back.
Yeah.
What do you need? Oh, yeah, here.
Is that little?
I'm trying to have the gloves. I couldn't
Yeah.
use my fingernail. I'll let you go first. I'll take these.
Thanks, bud.